Hello, and welcome to today's video demonstration for the Agri-Energy Connect platform, or as I like to call it, AgriConnect. So, just a little bit about us. At AgriConnect, we're on a mission to weave together the threads of agriculture and green energy, crafting a sustainable future for both industries. By connecting farmers, green energy innovators, and tech providers, we're creating an ecosystem where energy efficiency meets agricultural prosperity. Our platform serves as the bridge between tradition and innovation, empowering farmers with the tools, insights, and energy solutions needed to thrive in an ever-evolving world. Whether you're a tech-savvy provider or a seasoned farmer, Agri-Energy Connect is your partner in sustainable growth. Together, let's power the future, one harvest at a time. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, I'm going to give you a bit of background from a developer standpoint. So, AgriConnect is a modern, intuitive web application designed to bridge the gap between farmers and the digital marketplace. Built using ASP.NET MVC architecture on .NET 8, the platform enables farmers to showcase their products while providing employees with tools to manage and validate user participation. So you might ask, why MVC? The Model View Controller architecture was chosen for its clear separation of concerns, scalability, and ease of maintenance. In this context, the model handles all data-related logic, using a local database for persistent storage, ensuring product and user data are neatly managed. The view delivers a polished, theme-consistent UI designed for usability, guiding users intuitively through their interactions. The controller acts as the orchestrator, managing user input, role-based logic, and coordinating between the model and view. This structure allows developers to work independently on different components, improves testability, and ensures that the application remains organized as it grows. It's especially suitable for role-based web applications like AgriConnect, where distinct user types interact with the system differently. I hope that provides a good overview of why this architecture was chosen. But without further ado, I'd like to hop into the app. Alright, so straight off the bat, as a non-logged in user, you have access to the landing page, the market page, and the privacy page. The landing page has an interactive button that allows you to register. It also has a hyperlink that takes you to the market link, which is the same as the one in the nav bar. The privacy page is not so detailed at the moment, however, it is there and stylized. If we go back home and we register an account, we can call it test farmer. Over here, we can enter a farm name, which is optional. We call it test farms. Actually, let's give it a bit more of a creative name, just so it displays nicer. Maybe Riverbend. Over here we can enter a email address, test@ac.com, and here we can enter a password. After registering an account, we're then navigated back to the home page, where we have access to an extra nav tab, as well as a message that says your account is pending approval, please sit tight. As a farmer who has logged in, however, does not have a approved account, we can still view the market page and all the products that are available. We can also view the privacy page. However, if we click on the My Store link, it navigates us back to the home page where it indicates that we have to await approval. If I log out and log in as the employee or admin, we then have access to a different type of landing page. Over here we still have the hyperlink that takes us to the market where we can view all products by the farmers. However, we also have a partial view that renders a list of accounts that are pending approval. So as we can see, this is the account that we just registered. If we click on the approve button, a pop-up comes up that indicates whether we are certain that we want to verify the account. If we click OK, it then disappears from the list. It is also possible to reject accounts, and if we choose to reject an account, a different pop-up appears indicating whether we would like to reject it. If we click confirm, it disappears from the list. If we click on the quick link or the link on the nav bar, it then takes us to a list of farmers that are active and have valid or approved accounts. Over here, we can see the account that we just approved. However, the account that we rejected is no longer on the database. We can delete accounts from here. However, it is not in our interest at the moment. The privacy page is also viewable as an employee. And now we can check log out and log in as the test farmer that we just created. So once we log in, our landing page looks a bit different. We have two quick links that take us to the market or my stall. So if we click on the market, it displays a list of the products that farmers have listed. And if we click on my stall, we have the option to add a product or view the wares that we have added previously. So let's add in a solar inverter. There we are. And then we can choose the category it's from. So this could probably fall under renewable energy or eco-friendly tools. Let's go with renewable energy for now. We can then select a date, and you will also notice that there is a text field printed out that is the same as your full name that you enter when you register the account. If we create a product, it updates the list in real time. We can then view the details of the product. If you go to the market, you will notice that the product does not appear here, and that is because it does not make intuitive sense for the farmer to view their own product in the market. However, if they go to the My Stall, all of the markets that they have listed is available for viewing and for removal if need be. So before I delete this product, I will log back in as the employee. There we are. And if you go to the market, you will notice that the product that we just added is still there. And we can view the details of it. Everything is perfect. So I will log back out and log in as the test user. After which we can go back to our stall and we can remove the product. It updates the list in real time, and that is about it. That covers the basics of the AgriConnect platform. I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thanks for watching.